welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are out from workshop. We are going to NEZ Drift Championship. It's near my home, 25 kilometers only need to drive. And first time ever it is this drift competition in rallycross track. And let's see. I think it will be interesting day. Weather is a little bit rainy, but let's hope the sun comes out. Maybe. I like drift. I like watching it, and it's interesting. The cars and all that kind of stuff. Before I did watch rally also, but after working on a rally team 5 years. Then the rally is not interesting for me anymore, so drifting is only interesting. I have had some ideas to drive myself street class, but because I make Audi content, I need to find some Audi to modify a little bit to drift it. In Estonia we have a lot BMWs. Almost every car is BMW, I think, and there is some Supras and some Nissans, and yeah, but mostly BMWs. So Audi will be interesting, I think, but yeah, that is future plan, I think. Let's see what interesting we will see today. Drift competition is over. Was nice to see different cars, mostly BMWs, like I said, some Nissans, one Mazda RX-8 with rotary engine, and yeah, was really interesting to look how the cars are built. A lot different ideas what to use on my project car. I think was a really good day. Out of the workshop, new ideas, and in the next video back in the workshop building R32 B4 again. There are a lot of work what we need to make, so yeah. I hope you did enjoy this video, and comment what you think. Do you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see how I build this R32 Audi? And yeah, I think it's all for today, and don't forget to like, comment what you think, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!